Senate Blue Ribbon Committee on Monday cited in contempt several contractors who repeatedly failed to attend its hearings on alleged anomalies in flood control projects. Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa made the motion, which was approved by panel chair Rodante Marcoleta, paving the way for possible arrest warrants. The Senate had earlier issued subpoenas against the firms. Also present in the hearing was former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan, whose resignation takes effect September 1, 2025. Meanwhile, Sara Diskaya confirms her family owns 9 construction companies. She says they have completed approximately 400 projects with the DPWH since 2012 and have participated in many biddings beyond just flood control projects. Senator Erwin Tulfo expressed visible anger at PCAB officials for their inaction over the past 3 years.
Investigation siguro sa mga maliliit, pero kung mga malalaki na kagaya nito, wala ho kami naririnig. Bakit 15 po sila na nagkonsabahan, binulsa yung pera ng bayan, 1.3 trillion, wala tayong narinig. Ngayon, nandito kayo, nagpapaliwanag, sasabihin nyo, meron kayong quasi-judicial. Nasaan yung quasi-judicial? Bakit yung pinayagan nangyari? 2022 hanggang 2025, 3 years, engineer. Wala kayong ginawa, hindi nyo kinansela yan. Isang kumpanya, tatlo pa. Yung isang may-ari. Wala kayong ginawa. Ngayon, pinapakita yung sa amin dito na meron kayong ganito, meron kayong... Nasaan yun sinasabi mo? 3 years.
I understand very well your concerns, Your Honor, and I appreciate that very much. However, PCAB does not play any part in the implementation of the project.
I'm not saying part of the implementation. Yung pag-apply lang at engineer ng license. Kasi pag na-blacklist yung... Gano'n naman ho, hindi nyo ba alam na gano'n ang kalakaran ngayon? Or you don't have any idea? Na pag na-blacklist itong kumpanya na ito, gagamit ng ibang kumpanya o magbubukas sa ibang kumpanya. Alam niyo ba yon? Hindi. You know that, right?
We hear that every now and then, Your
You
Honor.
hear that, but you don't investigate. Na pag na-blacklist ng DPWH o ng kung anong ehensya, papalit ng pangalan or tatayo ng pangalan para makapasok ulit.
Actually, Your Honor, when a company is blacklisted by any government agency, then we actually suspend their licenses.
Well, hindi ko maintindihan na engineer, wala naman po na suspend sa 15 na yan di po ba? Wala ho kayo, hindi ko alam kung nagtatanga-tangahan kayo, hindi niyo alam trabaho o natapalan lahat ng mga mata ninyo ng salapi, kaya ho ganun. Balikan kita mamaya, Mr. Chair.